Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is PM-PRANAM scheme in news. Recently, the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has approved the PM-PRANAM scheme. PM-PRANAM stands for PM Program for Restoration, Awareness, Generation, Nourishment and Amelioration of Mother Earth. It was first announced in the 2023 to 2024 budget by the Union Government. It is aimed at incentivizing states to use alternative, non-chemical fertilizers. The scheme is also aimed at saving the soil and promote sustainable, balanced use of fertilizers. The idea of this scheme was proposed during the National Conference on Agriculture for Rabi campaign that took place in September 2022. The Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare and Chemicals and Fertilizers informed that the centre would incentivize those states which would adopt alternative fertilizers with the subsidy that was saved by reducing the use of chemical fertilizers. The CCEA also hiked the fair and remunerative price of sugarcane by Rs 10 per quintal. The FRP for the sugar season 2023 to 2024 will be Rs 315 per quintal for a basic recovery rate of 10.25%. Last year, the amount was Rs 305.